this is the folder of a picture of my wife. Let me work with this one so I will not have to deal with copyright issues. You can see the pictures are already looking like they are edited. This is straight out of the camera, nothing done on the pictures or any of the pictures. So that's what I try to do. I try to make sure I get my pictures like this straight out of the camera, so when editing you don't have to do plenty of all of this stuff. You just toggle this button, notch, and you're good to go. But the thing is, I try not to go overboard with my editing, so just give it a bit of texture, clarity, and then this guy here is my go-to toggle. Let me give it 2. Let me make it 3. Just like it. Then vibrance, depend on my mood. Let's play. Okay, let's do. This is fine. I don't even. There's no need doing this saturation. What I'll do next is to work on the colors. Like for those that like to edit and then change colors of stuff, this is where you do all of that. I want to change the color of the yellow to blue, or have the red turn to orange or stuff. This is where you do all of that, but that's not what I'm doing now. Saturation, I want to have a bit of green, and then this is a navy blue cloak, so let me pop up the blue. Not too much. Okay, I think this is good. So what color is this? It's looking like magenta. And then the effect, okay, this is fine. So this is not a standard. If you have 300 photographers and then you give them one picture, you will get 300 different style of editing. You get 300 different editing. You can never have 2 photographers editing or give it the same. So do whatever it is that please you, whatever it is that you fancy, just do all of them. So I have this action pack here from Wale Visual. It has all of these things in it, starting from here. Darken eyebrow. Let me darken this a bit. So if you want to do this, you want to play safe, so you don't brush overboard or brush outside of the eyebrows. What you do is you use either the lasso tool or any of the two, the pen tool, to mark out the edge, to mark out this part that you want to brush over, and then you brush. Make sure you have white as a foreground color, so you can go to brush properly. Then if you make a mistake, you can either do Ctrl Z or you toggle this and have the black here. Let's say I made a mistake, right? So what you do is toggle and have black, and then you brush. So black will do whatever it is that we've done. Let's have our white back. So this is basically what I do for skin retouch, for photo retouch. And then that of the eyelash, you have the button there, and then you do it like so. Then let's remove pimples. Which tool would I use? Let's use. So it depends on my mood. There are times where I feel like, let me just brush. Let me just brush this thing and get out of here. So I just do this. But there are times where I feel okay, let me do my best, or let me spend time in this picture. I'll just hold the Alt key while clicking on this healing brush tool. Then hold the Alt key or the Option key if you're using a Mac, and then you paste. So the Alt key enables you to copy whatever it is that you're clicking, whatever detail that is on the part where you're clicking, So you click copy and then you paste. You can continue doing that, but me, I prefer copying the part of the section where I want and then paste it over. See, and just paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. So let's not waste much of time here because I really do this myself. Now I do the teeth. I reduce my brush size and then I brush on the teeth. So I still have the same brush tool selected. So I'll click the brush tool or you click on B to highlight the brush tool and then you brush. Like I said, you have to be careful so you don't brush out. See we have stuff like because of the hardness. I chose the soft side of the brush instead of the hardest part of the brush. So that's why you're having this feathered stuff outside. So you brush on the teeth and yeah, that's basically it. And then what you want to do is to make it look more real, to make it look original like it's straight out of the camera, you have to reduce the opacity. So you have this, you have it looking real, you have it looking original. So the next video I'll show you how to do high-end skin retouch. So you retouch this thing and make all of this skin, this texture even. When you're done with all of these things, the teeth, the eyelash, the eyebrow, the hair, I even touched the hair, no I didn't. So when you're done with all of this, it depends on what you want. You can use the nursery and brush the hair. So depending on what you want. So there are times where if I have enough time on my hands, I just come here and try to straighten all of this stuff and make it look sweet. Well, yeah, so basically that's thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hope to see your comments in the comment section. Thank you.